welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a genuinely fascinating system. We're going to break down the absolutely wild journey of a guy named Kai Stone. He openly admits he started out with zero technical skills, zero business background, and honestly, a whole lot of fear. But somehow, he managed to build a massive online agency that literally changed his life. So we're going to look at the exact mechanics, the hard numbers, the software he used, and most importantly, the mindset he needed to pull this whole thing off. Okay, let's dive into this. Kai wasn't some tech prodigy coding away in a shiny Silicon Valley office, right? He was just a regular guy who had graduated, was living at home with his mom, and realized his only real marketable skill at the time was playing video games, which, doesn't really pay the bills unless you're a top-tier esports champion. He knew he needed a major change, so he just isolated himself, embraced the grind, and built a staggeringly profitable company right there in his childhood bedroom. And when I say staggeringly profitable, I mean it. We aren't talking about a one-time lucky payout here. Try $213,000 in monthly recurring revenue, MRR. That means this money comes in consistently, month after month, like clockwork. That is huge. This isn't just a fluke. It's a highly systematized business model that actually provides immense stability. What makes this even more mind-blowing is the timeline. 2 years. He went from absolute zero, literally not even knowing how to build a basic website, to running a multi-six-figure monthly operation in just 24 months. It's a super aggressive timeline, but it completely proves that this kind of massive hockey stick growth, it's possible. You don't always need to spend decades climbing some corporate ladder. So how did he actually pull this off? Well, that brings us to Section 1, the white label software secret. This right here is the engine of the whole business, and it's exactly what makes this model totally attainable for complete beginners. It completely destroys the technical barrier to entry. Listen, you do not need to know a single line of code. Kai uses a multi-billion-dollar software platform called GoHighLevel. They have already done the hard part. They've coded everything, the websites, the automations, the AI bots, the whole shebang. Your job, you just white label it. Basically, you slap your own agency's logo onto their platform and then sell these incredible pre-built tools to local businesses as your own proprietary service. And this brilliantly illustrates the point. As Kai puts it, using this software is basically like playing Tetris, but you're already handed all the blocks. You aren't inventing the technology from scratch. Your only job is simply to arrange those pre-built blocks, drop a website here, set up an automated text reply there, just to solve a specific problem for a local business owner. But honestly, a logical question pops up here, right? If it's literally that easy, why wouldn't these businesses just do it themselves? Well, think about small business tech guild, plumbers, HVAC techs, electricians. They absolutely know they need modernized websites and AI tools, but they are way too busy actually running their businesses to sit down and learn new software. It's like the mechanic analogy. Kai points out that changing the oil in your car is pretty simple, but most of us just pay a mechanic to do it because, well, we don't want to deal with it. Local business owners feel the exact same way about marketing software. They will happily pay you to take that headache off their plate. Which leads us perfectly into Section 2, winning with low-ticket offers. Okay, so these businesses need the software, but how on earth do you price it when you're just starting out? $297 a month. That is the magic number. Kai didn't build his massive empire by selling crazy expensive, super complicated packages right out of the gate. No, he used this incredibly simple $297 a month website package as his irresistible foot-in-the-door core offer. And there is a massive psychological advantage to pricing it this way. Think about high-ticket offers, like asking for $3,000 a month. That creates crushing pressure. If you're a total beginner trying to convince someone to hand over $3,000 when you've literally never done this before, it's going to trigger massive imposter syndrome. And trust me, business owners will see right through your lack of confidence. But the low-ticket approach? It's a total game changer. Asking for $297 for a highly tangible product like a shiny new website is such an easy conversation. It relies on volume, it's vastly easier to sell, and getting those first few people to say yes builds your confidence immediately. Let's ground this in some reality and look at how fast this actually scales up. One client gets you $297 a month. Get 5 clients, and you're suddenly at roughly $1,500. Just 10 clients brings in nearly $3,000 in recurring monthly revenue. To put that into perspective, for a busy parent trying to start a side hustle on the weekends, hitting that 10-client mark could literally cover their monthly mortgage. You absolutely do not need 1 million clients to completely change your financial reality. So how do we find them? That brings us to Section 3, landing your first local client.
Obviously, none of those revenue numbers mean a thing if you can't get an actual human being to sign up. So here is Kai's exact, highly actionable 4-step prospecting method. Step 1, you literally just open Google Maps and search for local tradesmen in your area. Step 2, filter for businesses that have between 5 and 15 reviews. Why? Because this tells you they're active, but they are very likely unoptimized. Step 3, check if they're missing a website button on their Google profile. If it's missing, boom, you found your perfect target. And step 4, you pick up the phone, call them directly, and offer them the exact solution they clearly need.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Spending hours clicking around Google Maps sounds incredibly tedious, right? Well, prepare to be amazed by this number, $5. For literally just $5 an hour, you can hop onto a site like Upwork and hire a virtual assistant to manually scrape these exact highly qualified leads into a spreadsheet for you. It is incredibly cheap, and it fundamentally protects your time, so you can focus 100% of your energy on just picking up the phone and dialing.
Let's be totally real for a second, though. Picking up that phone to cold call a stranger is absolutely terrifying for a beginner. Kai actually validates that fear perfectly right here. He fully admits that he used to literally physically shake on his early sales calls. You are going to be nervous, it is going to be messy at first, but as he says, there is literally nothing harder in this entire business than getting that very first client. Once you push through and get those first few reps in, the fear starts to vanish, the process smooths out, and honestly, it never gets harder than that initial hurdle.
Let's move to section 4 and see how this builds, the vertical stacking strategy. Okay, so you have that first client in the door. Awesome. Now you need a smart way to scale them up. The absolute biggest mistake beginners make is offering a bunch of random disconnected services. You know, like building a website and then suddenly offering to run their Instagram or write some random email newsletter. Those things don't connect. A vertical stack is different. It solves a continuous chain of problems for the business. First, you run Facebook ads to generate leads. Then, you provide an AI bot to instantly reply to and qualify those leads. Once that lead actually becomes a paying customer, you give the business the invoicing software to take the payment. And right after they pay, an automated text goes out asking for a Google review. Do you see how that works? Everything stacks naturally in one logical timeline, which snowballs your recurring revenue without ever confusing the client. Now for section 5, mindset for messy action. Look, to build out an incredible stack like that, you really have to survive the grueling early days of your agency. And to do that, we absolutely have to bust a toxic myth right here. You see the hustle culture lie everywhere. This ridiculous expectation that you're going to make $10,000 in your first 30 days. Kai stresses that if you have 0 skills, that is simply not going to happen. Holding on to that fake expectation is only going to lead to depression and ultimately quitting. Instead, your actual superpower is setting a realistic, burnout-proof goal, like reaching $5,000 a month by the end of your first full year. Giving yourself a full 12 months to mess up, learn the ropes, and actually grow is what keeps you in the game long enough to win. And man, when you do stay in the game, the long-term reality is just incredible. Look at this. This is the exact team structure required to run a totally hands-off agency generating $50,000 to $70,000 a month. You literally just need 2 customer success reps to keep the clients happy, 1 salesperson taking the inbound calls, and 1 virtual assistant doing the back-end account building. With a super lean team of just 4 people, you are completely removed from the daily grind, yet your personal profit can still be an astounding $45,000 a month. So the crucial point is exactly what Kai emphasizes right here. He didn't have some special network of connections. He wasn't some master software coder. Like he said, his primary skill was basically chugging drinks and playing video games. But he leaned into a proven multi-billion-dollar software platform. He fully accepted that he was going to suck at the beginning, and he just relentlessly put in the reps. It completely destroys the excuse of technical imposter syndrome. If he can do it, you can do it.
Which brings us to our final slide. And a question you really have to ask yourself today. Are you ready to stop overthinking, embrace the messy action, and start dialing for your first recurring revenue client? The roadmap is completely proven. The software is already built for you. And right now, there are thousands of local businesses just waiting to be found on Google Maps. The only missing variable here is you actually taking that first, terrifying but incredibly rewarding step. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I truly hope this sparks your journey to massive success. Let's get to work.